Hey everybody, if you are a beginner and you're looking to get into the crypto industry or the markets and not miss out, seeing as the industry for crypto is maturing, we're starting to see big players in the scene now. It's 10 years and we've reached some milestones. Fidelity is in the field, Goldman Sachs, we have Facebook, Visa, MasterCard, DNVGL, Renault Group, multiple people, big players, BMW. Uh, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you a way where you can go ahead and possibly get some free Bitcoin in case you didn't want to miss out on the ride, and you could probably secure some funds down the line, seeing as only the value will keep on appreciating. So there's going to be a website called Coinbase here, and this has been around for quite a while. And what you can do as a beginner getting into the crypto industry is that you can learn about the cryptos on this website, and they'll go ahead and pay you in crypto assets for your time. And each of these videos are part of the task for actually earning the cryptocurrency. And what you could then do is actually convert these currencies into Bitcoin. That's what the website allows you to do. So overall, the industry is maturing, and all these technologies are helping solve problems. They're all problem-solving technologies arising on the blockchain underlying technology. So that's all that it is. They're just trying to get everybody acquainted towards mass adoption. But if you go here and you select one of these here, they'll tell you how much you'll earn as well. So if you actually take a look here, one of the videos they'll have you watch is super short. It's about a minute long. If anything, you can just go ahead and skip it and then answer a survey. There's going to be a survey down here, and then they'll pay you your reward amount right here. And it's relatively easy and simple to do. So it all adds up. So I got $6 here total if you look up at everything else, and you could do this multiple times. They're all videos for DAI, EOS, Stellar, Lumens, Zcash. They're literally all videos, and they could rack you up to about $25, $30, or even possibly $70, $80 if you complete the Stellar Lumens too. That's I got about $20 from it, but I didn't finish that. I think the remaining amount to earn is by inviting people. Anyways, if you guys don't have accounts, I will go ahead and leave a link in the description. But here's how you actually convert your crypto. So you see the $16 here. This is what I have in my portfolio right now. I have some DAI. This is the DAI that I earned not too long ago. Those are one of the coins that I just showed you. I think that was the first coin that I showed you. This is DAI here. All right. You watch some of the videos to earn some DAI. About $6 in total, right? So now what you can do is you go to DAI's page on the website, right? You go on Coinbase, go to the main page. This is the home page. You go down and you find the DAI. Where is that? They changed it so much. Oh, here we go. This new user interface is nice and all, but so you find a DAI just like that by going to discover more assets, or whatever asset that you earned. And then once you go to the main page of whatever asset it is that you chose to learn about, for me it's DAI. I learned about DAI right here. And then I'll go ahead and convert, and you can press convert all, and you can get Ethereum. So you can't do it directly to Bitcoin because DAI is a counterpart coin of Ethereum. But once you convert it to Ethereum, you can basically just convert that Ethereum to Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and show you how it's done. I'm converting it now. Okay, and then let's do the same thing for Ethereum. Now that I have Ethereum, I'm gonna convert all of that to Bitcoin, and you're gonna see it go into my account soon. Okay, so now if I go to my account here, refresh, my Bitcoin was converted, right? So now I have all the money from the DAI, which is the amount right there. And then now I'm gonna show you what you can do with the money. So there's also another way to earn free crypto, free Bitcoins. And they're known as Bitcoin faucet sites. So faucet sites are basically a site with activity that you can do in order to earn free Bitcoin. This website's been around for since 2013, since I was getting out of high school and learning about Bitcoin. So this site's pretty reliable, but you can earn passive income. So what you can do here, you see this is the amount of Bitcoin I have here. So what you can do here is you can go and deposit, you can deposit all of your Bitcoin. You can press send here and deposit all of your Bitcoin to this site here. You deposit, and then once you have all your money in here, automatically if you go to the earn tab right here, you will go ahead and start earning passively every day a payout of 4.08% of your total balance, and it will just keep compounding itself. So you just get free Bitcoin. And if you want to earn more, you can just go ahead and sign up under my link if you want to. What I do is I don't know why this keeps happening, but everybody, so this is like my friend right here. I told him sign up. He just puts money in there and is passively earning me money. But if you can see here, this is the amount that I've shared with him. So the little bit more money that he earns and I get a part of, I actually return to him. So if you want, you can make more money by doing referrals. So you can refer your friends as well, and it's another way for you to get passive income, because he's literally just doing nothing. He's just holding his money here. But if you hold your money in any other Bitcoin wallet, you can't get passive income. Only on the Faucet site, because what the Faucet site does is that they have a Bitcoin mining rig, and what they do is that they pay you for having your money on here, so they can entice you to spend your money on gambling. This is the only thing that you have to avoid doing, because I think the gambling is rigged. This new stuff here, you don't have to do it, but it's not like it's rigged, because this is like based on real world events, like whoever wins the president election or whatever. So you can bet on that. So that's kind of cool, but I don't play with that. I just let my money grow. I don't have too much money because I took out money to invest into other coins lately, but yeah, I can go ahead and leave a link down on the description as well, and I'll pay you for everything. I pay you a fraction of every activity that you have been doing on the website here. So that's my tips for getting into crypto. If you just want to go ahead and do a couple things in order to not miss out, have some money sitting in your account. I use Coinbase sometimes too to buy Bitcoin, but not too often since their fees are a little high in my opinion, but I use it every once in a while. I would say this site's pretty trustworthy too. They have a lot of reassurances and they're US compliant, so you guys can definitely trust these sites. They're both well known. They've been around for ages, and I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description. You can invite your friends as well. This is some other way to get money. Basically, I'll just put a link in the description. You guys can create an account, and yeah, man, that's pretty much it, guys. Just go ahead and have a blast, get ready for the future, and make some money, man. Hopefully this will get you into crypto. Maybe you'll trade a little bit with some of the free money, flip it, make some more money, or even possibly just wait for the value to appreciate and have a little bit of money you can store. If there's any other questions, go ahead and just leave it in the comments. I'll probably just make a follow-up video or something. Alright guys, you take care.